Hello, Master Sunil Ramakrishna. This is next water. So here 1% of that. That is the stuff basically. So 1% told that basically, if you access his body part, na basically 100% basically the highest magnitude earthquake basically which is coming, which has came basically, that is 9.4 basically, that is going to break basically. So 1% was shocked basically. For example, basically highest people basically died in the world basically was of tsunami basically, which happened in 2004 basically, where Sri Lankan people basically died. More than 10 to 20 lakh people basically died. Because that person body basically was accessed by some American group basically. So 20 lakh people basically died. America was responsible basically. Because they only have the authority basically, which is given by Subhash Chandra Bose basically. Because he is that person basically who is master in internet basically. And internet is only the roadmap basically from you can access the body parts. So 1% told that, assume that basically Sunil Larnair basically somebody accessed head basically, or eye basically, or basically assume that basically they accessed some ear basically. So which internet provider basically have the access? So 1% told that might be some new provider. It might not be old basically. So they might have just launched basically in Vadodara city, and they might be accessing the body parts of Sunil Larnair basically. Or assume that basically you basically Sunil given the resume to that girl also basically, or boy also basically, and they basically might be doing masti with you basically. So 1% to that, and they are basically Pakistani basically. They are not Indian basically, they are Pakistani basically. Especially came from Pakistan and given some name by Gujarati group basically, and told that basically you stay basically in Gujarat basically. We are there to protect you basically. Gujaratis are going to protect you basically. So Pakistanis are protected by Gujaratis basically. Example Modi basically, see, he is basically getting the security from Pakistani basically. So 1% told that यार समझ में आ नहीं रहा है basically. क्या तेरे मन में समाई? You created this type of creation based. So next video is